Hello friends, and the 6 days of Java programming, and I will solve the today. I will solve the medium type question, and this is not a medium. This is a easy question. So that it's a prime number. Count the prime number. Total number of prime number in given an integer n. Return the number of a prime number at the strictly less than the n. If n is 10, if n is 10, then return less than 10. How many number of how many total prime number less than 10? So that 10 less than total number of prime number less than 10. So 4. There are 4 prime number less than 10. uh, there are 2, 3, 5 and 7 total 4 prime number. So that another example, n equal to 0. So less than 0, it's not a prime number. The smallest prime number is 2, and the largest prime number is infinity. Is it's n is equal to 1 less than 1, no prime number. So this is and 10 less than 10 prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 total 4 prime number. How to find 2 is a prime number or not, 3 is a prime number or not, 5 is a prime number or not, and 7 is a prime number or not? How to find? If n is equal to 13, then how many prime number less than 13? It's a 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. It's a total 5 number are prime number less than 13. 13 less than 13, not less than equal to 13. So that's 5 prime number. It's a 2. 2 is a prime number, smallest prime number. 3. 3 is the second smallest prime number. After that 5, after that 7, after that 11. So understand what I said. Then write a code. First of all, write a code to prime number. So if n equal to 0 or n equal to 1 and n equal to 2, return 0. Why return 0? So that's n equal to 0, n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. If the n is less than equal to 2, is n is less than equal to 2, if n is equal to 0 or 1 or 2, then how many prime number less than this number? Nothing. Nothing a prime number. Less than 0, not any prime number. Less than 1, no any prime number. Less than 2, no any prime number. So that no any prime number less than 2. Therefore, I will write a code in n equal to 1, n equal to 0, and n equal to 0, 1, and 2. Then not a one thing, also return a one thing. So that's not this. n is n is less than equal to 2. So n is less than equal to 2. It's a zero, not a prime number. Why are you 0, 1, 2? Because n is an integer, so that only 0, 1, 2 is a positive integer. So less than nothing a prime number less than n. So that this after that, if if n equal to 3, then how many prime number? 1. You understand? If n is equal to 3, then how many prime number? 1. Count. Count. How to create a variable count? Because number of prime number, how many number of prime number less than n? So that count equal to it count is an integer type variable, and so create and how many number less than n are prime number. So create a therefore create a variable count. So for for I is less than n, if is is prime, create one function is prime. Why create a function is prime? To find the number. Is prime is to pass the one argument I. This is I. Pass the is prime is a function. Create a function and pass the I. If I is a prime number, then if increase the one, plus plus, otherwise pass. Understand? So that's create a one prime number function, prime number function, and if this then count plus plus. So public here. Why are you use a boolean? Return type. Return type is a boolean. It's a true. Then count plus one. It's a true. I is a number less than n, and pass this in a function. And if n is a prime number, then true. It's a true. Then count increase one. Otherwise, it's a not a prime number. Then false. Then if condition is not considered, then skip this two line, and after goes through I plus plus increment one, and then this loop is continued. So that is prime and int for I is less than n I plus plus. You understand? If what if n modulus 2 equal to if n modulus I not so 2, if n modulus I equal to 0, then return false. Why false? Why return false? Because it's a not a prime number. Otherwise, return true. It's a prime. show it, and then after return. Okay, and this. Surpass and 4 n equal to 0 0. It's okay. So this is a yeah. This is a medium type question, and count a prime number, total number of prime number less than n. So not a medium, it's a easy question, easy and easy question. So if you solve this type of question, then your basic is, at least your basic is completed in any language. If you solve this type of question, then your basic is completed. So that the second question, I will sure that tomorrow I will sure that both question are medium. I will solve the both question are medium level. So one medium level I will solve the one, and then second type is medium or easy. I do not see. Then that then solve. It's medium. And the second problem, maximum product subarray. It's it's also a medium level question. And maximum product of subarray and given an integer array nums, find the subarray that has the largest products and the return the products. In this array, the given array. In this question, what will be asked? If this question, the ask will be if array 1, 2, 3, and 4, it's array. Then find the subarray product is equal to maximum. Product is equal to maximum. You understand? Then product is equal to maximum subarray. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 is also subarray of the array 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the product is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then is equal to 24. Then R2. The first example, the array num is equal to 2, 3 minus 4 and 2. Then the product, oh, nothing. This question, the different things I think asked. Not read the question, so something are mistake. The given integer array nums, the subarray that has the largest product and the return the product. The test will be the test case are generated so that the answer will fit in a 32 bytes integer, and the array and the num array is 3 2 3 minus 2 and 4. Then the 2 3 has the largest product. If okay. In this question, given the sub array of 2 digit, only take a 2 digit. If these 2 digit product in this first example, 2 3 minus 2 and 4. This is a then first two. The product of first two elements are 6. Then after second and third product of second and third element are -6. Then after last two element of product of the element are minus. Then the maximum number of these products are 6. So answer is 6. Maximum. The second example, -2 and 2, the product of -2 and 2, 0. Then product of 0 and -1, 0. Then maximum number of 0 and 0 are 0. So result cannot be 2 because -2 and -2 is not a subarray. Okay, and in this first, what is subarray? What is subarray? A subarray is a consecutive part of array. Subarray is a consecutive part of array. Subarray is an array that is inside another array. You understand what is subarray? Subarray is a consecutive part of a array. It's not in this example. This example of this is a 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then the maximum number of product of subarray in the array. Array is 1 2 3 and 4. It's array. Then the maximum product of the subarray of this array. Maximum product. Maximum number of product. Maximum. It means greatest product. It's a 1 2 3 4. The product of all these number are the greatest number of the subarray. So that 4 into 3 into 2 equal to 24. The answer is 24. This is a subarray. You understand what is subarray? Subarray is a consecutive part of array. Subarray is an array that is inside another array. The generator the subarray if the form and this is a one good line. This is a very important line. If any another question ask this type of another question, is generated from an subarray of the size n. There is a n into n plus 1 by 2 non-empty subarray. How many if 1 2 3 4 total number of subarray non-empty subarray, the 1 2 3 4. When this 4 element is in an array present in a 4 element, then how many create a subarray non-empty subarray? How many create a non-empty subarray in this element? So that n into n plus 1 divided by this is the total number of non-empty subarray. Then n equal to 1 2 3 4 4 element. So that 4 into n plus 1 5 divided by 2 4. Then total number okay. Then total number of 10. Then total number of 10. 10 is a subarray, non-empty subarray of this array. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 2 3 3 4 1 2 3 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. This is the total number of subarray, non-empty subarray. So uh, mm, the next question, it's a homework question. Uh, I will write. I will write a array. Then how many? Write. You also to write a code. How many array in this non-empty array in this uh, question is 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 and 1 and 0 and 0 0. Total number of element 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total number of 7 elements. Then write a code of how many non-empty array in this array. How many create a non-empty array in this array? Okay. Then it's a task. Find how many non-empty array in this array. So and in this question, it's a medium type question, and it's also a good question. Not a medium type. It's also a good question. So. Uh, int n equal to dot length answer equal to terms of 0. You understand? Then what do you think? What's the approach to solve this question? This type of question. What's the approach to solve this type of question? Because consider consider all the possible subarray, non-empty subarray, and then multiply the product of this, and it's and then if first is n1 and second array is n2, then maximum number of this, if greatest number is n1, so that n1 is considered, then the third subarray the product is n3, then n3, then maximum number of n1 and n3, uh, it's n1, also it's n1, then n4 is the product of the n4 is the products of if n4 is the products of the another subarray, then n1 and then n4, then the maximum number of n1, greatest number of n1 and n4 is n4, then return the, or if completion all the subarray, completion all the subarray, and then the maximum is n4, then return the n4 is the greatest product. That for the equal to 0, I is less than one third. This is nums dot length, not consider nums dot length, I is less than n. I is so j equal to I plus 1. Why are you consider I plus 1 j equal to not, why j equal to not equal to 0? Why consider j equal to I plus 1? You are also consider j equal to 0. Then why not consider j equal to 0 and consider j equal to I plus 1? I will explain. I will write the code. Or not. Then I will explain the why less than n. Then answer equal to max math dot maximum number of, what's the maximum number of answer and multiply. Then maximum of this number, then what y equal to nums of j. After that answer equal to the max of answer and multiply. Okay, then run, and after I will explain what. Okay, network. Wi-Fi on they are disconnected. Connect. Not see Wi-Fi are disconnected. It's run. Run. So why are you why are you is j plus 1 and answer is equal to math? It's a maximum number. It's a if a two number, then find the minimum number, then use of math dot, and it's a number 2 and 3. Then output is 2 from minimum number and maximum number. If math dot max, then output is a max. Then uh, int j equal to I plus 1, that it's also consider I num of I, it's also considered. Then after that number, if I added 2 3 minus 2 and 4. Then answer is also answer in the answer is equal to also consider 2. Then num of I equal to 0, then also consider 2. Then after completion, next element, if the product of next element and this element, then who is the, if the first is 2 and after that product of 2 and 3, then 6, then consider who is the greatest number, then 6. Then after that, if the product also, if a product this number and it's increased then 1, then uh, multiple is equal to also 2, then multiply by n plus 1, then j plus 1, j is 0, I is 0, plus 1 index number 1, then 3, then 6, then product of 0 sub array of this, and product of, if a product of sub array of this and product of sub array of this, who is the greatest, this is the greater, then therefore I will consider the j plus 1. It's the next element. 1 equal multiply equal to this, then next element of this. There are, therefore I consider j plus 1. And answer equal to answer, if answer num equal to 0 and multiply equal to also 0, then anyone, both are same, then answer equal to this, then multiply of 2 and j next element, it's multiply, it means, what is this mean, multiply equal to multiply into nums of j, then multiply equal to multiply is equal to 2 and into next element 3, then 2 into 3 is equal to 6, then answer is equal to 2 and multiply equal to 6, then what is the maximum number, 6, then after that run this, and who is the greatest, so it's if 2 and 6, who is greatest, 6 is greatest, then 6 comes to answer. And both today I saw the both are easy type question, easy not a medium type question, and first question are easy because it's find a prime number, and second question is a good question. I think the good question because uh, find the to consider all the survey and its product and find the greatest product of this. So thank you for all watching this video, and if you are come to first time my platform YouTube channel, then subscribe, share and like my channel. I will upload a daily video to Leetcode question in a Java, solve a two Leetcode question in a Java language and loaded daily. So that's, if you are first time, then like, share and subscribe. And nothing I will be give you, only for like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. This time is 11 8 10 47. I will recorded this video in 10:47. It's a night time, not Sunday time, and uploaded at tomorrow 10 p.m. Approx the uploaded timing of daily is 10 to 11 a.m. 10 to 11 a.m. Daily I will upload a one video. both are lead code problem, solving both are in a Java language. After 10 and after some days, I will start repeat one to lead code and one SQL problem. SQL is at least one SQL question problem solved in a day. So thanks to everyone to watching this.